Let the rain fall. Let it fall on the days when giving up feels easier than trying again. Let it fall on the moments when hope feels heavy and carrying on feels like too much. Let it fall on the parts of you that whisper, I can't do this anymore. Not out of drama, not to be seen, but because you've quietly reached your end. And still, I am not leaving. I know you didn't think it would be this hard. I know you were holding on for breakthrough, but your fingers are tired, and grace feels slow, and you wonder if maybe you're not meant to finish. But what if I told you I'm still holding you, even here? You haven't failed for needing rest. You haven't disappointed me for collapsing. You don't need to keep it all together to stay close. Let the rain fall. Let it carry away the pressure to be strong. Let it say what your tears are trying to tell you. You are exhausted and still loved, still worthy, still welcome in my arms. Even when you stop walking, I'm still walking toward you. Even when your prayer turns into silence, I still hear your heart. You don't have to push anymore. You don't have to perform. You are not lost just because you are low. Let the rain fall and let it wash the shame off your surrender. You have not reached the end. You've reached the place where striving ends and grace begins. If all you can do is breathe, then breathe. If all you can do is fall, then fall. I will catch you. There is no punishment in being weary. There is no penalty in falling apart. You are not here to impress me. You are here to be loved. So let the rain fall. Let your knees touch the ground. Let your arms fall open. Let this be your prayer. Hold me, because I can't hold myself. And I will. I always will. This moment, this breath, this ache is not the end. It is the place where I begin again with you. Just you and me and the rain. Let the rain fall. Let it fall on the places where faith once burned bright, but now flickers low or not at all. Let it fall on the questions you try to ignore, the ones that come late at night when old answers no longer fit and certainty feels far away. You didn't choose this doubt. You didn't ask to feel distant, but life has knocked you sideways and you're left holding pieces of what used to be so clear. And still I do not pull away. You're afraid to name it. Afraid it means you've lost me. Afraid I'm disappointed in your silence, your cynicism, your wondering. But I'm not. I'm not waiting for your faith to be perfect. I'm not measuring your trust by how loud it sounds. I'm not threatened by your questions. I am still here. Let the rain fall on the guilt you carry for not feeling it anymore. Let it rinse away the fear that you're no longer worthy to speak my name. Faith is not a performance. It's not a constant high. It's not the absence of doubt. It's the decision to stay, even when belief feels fragile. And you're still here. That matters. You're still reaching, still whispering, still listening, even through your silence. That is faith too. Let the rain fall and say what you're not sure you're allowed to say. I'm struggling to believe. And let me say what never changes. I'm not struggling to love you. You are not failing. You are still mine. And when you think faith has left you, know this. Sometimes it walks quietly beside you in the shape of staying. Sometimes it looks like breathing through doubt, like opening the book without feeling anything, like whispering my name when you're not sure I hear. That's still faith. You're not falling behind. You're falling into grace. So let the rain fall. Let it soak the questions. Let it soften the hardness. Let it echo one truth. I never stopped believing in you, even when you stopped believing in me. Just you and me in the rain. Let the rain fall. Let it fall on the moments you wish you could take back, the words you regret, the choices you replay, the harm you never meant to cause, but caused anyway. Let it fall on the apologies that were too late, the silence that hurt more than you knew, the relationships that changed because you weren't your best. Let it fall on the guilt that clings to you like a second skin. You try to move forward, but shame keeps whispering, who do you think you are to heal? Let the rain fall there. I am not surprised by your imperfection. I am not caught off guard by your shadows. You were never called because you were flawless. You are called because you are mine. Let the rain fall on the thought that you've disqualified yourself. Let it wash away the lie that broken people can't be held. Let it soften the place where pride turned into sorrow and sorrow into surrender. You are not defined by your damage. You are not dismissed by your mistakes. You are not condemned by your history. You are loved, still, fully, even here. I see what you did, but I see more. I see who you are becoming. Let the rain fall as forgiveness finds you again. Let it fall as my voice cuts through the noise of your shame and says, still mine, still welcome, still worthy of new beginnings. Even if they never forgive you, I do. Even if you can't make it right, I can still make something from it. Redemption is not built on forgetting, but on transforming. You may carry consequences, but you do not carry condemnation. You can learn, you can change, you can grow. Let the rain fall on your remorse until it turns into repentance, and let repentance bring you home. Not to punishment, to presence, to me. You are not too far gone. You are not beyond repair. You are not too ruined to return. Just you and me in the rain. Let the rain fall. Let it fall on the years you feel you've lost. The time that slipped through your fingers. The detours that led you nowhere. The seasons you wish you could relive, but can't. Let it fall on the dreams you buried because you thought you missed your chance. The goals that faded, the paths you didn't take, the person you thought you'd be by now. Let it fall on the phrase that echoes often, it's too late for me. But what if it's not? What if beginnings don't have expiration dates? What if redemption is not bound by clocks or calendars? What if my timing includes even this? You see delay, I see preparation. You see waste, I see soil. You see failure, I see roots that were growing quietly all along. Let the rain fall, not to wash away the past, but to water what I'm still growing. You are not too late. You are not behind. You are right on time for what I've written for you. Let the rain fall on your doubt. Let it soak into your fear of starting over. Let it tell your weary heart, the page is not finished. You haven't missed me. You've met me now. And now is always holy ground. Even if you're older than you hope, even if others are ahead, even if you feel like you're starting from scratch while everyone else is building something big. I don't need perfect timing. I just need your yes. The world may not wait, but I do. I wait with open arms and open pages, ready to write something sacred from what's left in your hands. So let the rain fall. Let it wash away the clock that whispers too late. Let it baptize you in a now that is always enough. You haven't missed your moment. You've arrived at it. Just you and me and the rain. Let the rain fall. Let it fall on the effort no one sees, the brave face you put on, the countless small choices to show up, even when everything inside you says stay in bed. Let it fall on the moments you keep quiet so others can speak, the tears you wipe before anyone notices, the fights you win in silence over your mind, your fear, your old patterns. Let it fall on the discipline you carry in private, on the healing you pursue without applause. Let it fall on the good you've done that no one ever thanked you for. You wonder if it matters, if anyone sees, if it counts when no one claps. But I see the strength it takes to rise, to forgive, to stay, to leave, to try again. You are not unseen, you are not invisible, you are not ignored by the one who sees in secret. Let the rain fall on your weary hands. Let it wash your unseen offering with the water of my delight. Nothing given in love is wasted. No faithfulness is lost in the dark. No seed is sown unseen by me. Let it fall on the days you say yes to kindness when bitterness would be easier. Let it fall on the days you take a breath instead of throwing a stone. Let it fall on the nights you pray when no one knows how hard it is just to believe. Let it fall and soak your tired soul with truth. You are doing better than you know. You are further than you think. You are making a way in places where there once was none. I am not just watching, I am celebrating. I am multiplying the quiet impact of every hard, holy step you've taken. So let the rain fall, and let it echo what I've been whispering all along. Well done. Just you and me in the rain. Let the rain fall. Let it fall on the words you speak over yourself that I never taught you. Not enough. Too much. Unworthy. Unlovable. Let it fall on the mirror you avoid, the dreams you abandon, the prayers you don't bother praying anymore, because somewhere along the way, you decided you didn't deserve to be chosen. Let it fall on the quiet ache of thinking grace is for everyone but you. You think your cracks disqualify you. You think your wounds make you unfit. You think your mess is proof that you've missed your chance. But I don't see what you see. Where you see broken, I see beloved. Where you see failure, I see formation. Where you see too little or too late, I see right on time and exactly who I made. Let the rain fall on your self-hate until it washes into surrender. You don't have to earn being mine. You already are. I don't ask for flawlessness. I ask for honesty. You are not too far. You are not too flawed. You are not too fragile to be loved. You are still my child, still my joy, still my chosen. Let the rain fall on the places you hide, the parts of you you've labeled too much or never enough. Let it reach into the shadows where shame made its bed and show you that I make my home even there. You are not a mistake needing correction. You are a miracle in progress. When you shrink from love, I step closer. When you flinch from kindness, I stay. When you look away in fear, I lift your chin with gentleness. Let the rain fall and rinse every echo of the lie that said you have to be more before you can be mine. Let it flood every corner of your inner silence until only one voice remains, mine. You are enough, not because you check the boxes, but because you are loved. So rest, return, receive, just you and me in the rain.